Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe Holmes, and today I am going to demonstrate the door side storage box that was sent to me by ElectFresh, and it's pretty awesome. It literally goes on the door. It's like a trash can. I'll show you in a second. This is my Cybertruck, and I am a flipper here in Southern California, and I love that these companies are sending me these items to test out, because I do use the truck quite often when I'm flipping properties. So let me show you the product that they sent out, and there's one for each side, and basically you just push this here and that door opens, and then you have this little rubber piece inside. So if you put something in there and it gets wet, you can just literally just take it out. It's super easy to take out, and I'll show you once it goes in there what it looks like. It's pretty sturdy. There's like a little rubber piece here so that everything goes in smoothly in place and locks in place, and I'll show you that here in a second. As we go over here, I want to show you that it's literally going to go right here in this corner, and I'm always amazed by how creative people are, and that, you know, they figure out things to put in this Cybertruck that I probably would have never even figured it out, but this is one of them. So let's go down here and take a look and see how to install this. It's not difficult. It's literally just shoving it in through the top here and making sure that it goes into the one side here. Wow, I make it look harder than it does, because literally I put the other side in 2 seconds. And so you got to make sure that little rubber piece that I was showing you just goes under it right there, and then shove it into place. And there you go. It's in there. It's not going anywhere. To open it up, you just do that. And again, this little rubber piece that's in there, in case you get anything wet in there and it needs to come out and you need to clean it up, you just put it right back in place. The little hinges here, it's got literally like a screw that goes in there, and so it's not really a hinge. It doesn't go up and down, and then this locks. As you push it in, it locks in place. I find it like really handy if I need to like throw anything away that I don't want anybody to see, whatever it was, to try to keep the truck in a good condition looking, not unsightly. So anyways, I would highly recommend this if you're a Cybertruck owner and you wanted to purchase it. I'll leave you a link down below where you can get it, and please like and subscribe, and I can put some more videos out of the products that I end up getting from these very creative people. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one.